So today, we're taking a look at the all-new 2027 Honda CB400. And honestly, this is one of those bikes that instantly brings back that classic Honda magic. At first glance, the design is what really stands out. It still keeps that retro CB styling, but now it's sharper, cleaner, and feels a lot more modern without losing its identity. You get that perfect mix of old-school naked bike vibes with new-age tech. Now, the biggest talking point here is the engine. Honda is reportedly using a 399cc inline-4 with around 60 horsepower, and if you've ever ridden a CB400 before, you already know what that means. Smooth, high-revving fun. It's not about insane power, it's about how refined and enjoyable it feels in real riding conditions. They've also added modern features like updated electronics and an optional e-clutch system, which makes city riding a lot easier, especially for newer riders or daily commuters. But here's the real question. Is it worth your money? If you're expecting a track weapon, no. But if you want a reliable, smooth, character-filled middleweight that's easy to live with, this might actually be one of the most balanced bikes in its class. Overall, the CB400 feels like Honda doing what Honda does best, keeping it simple, refined, and rider-focused.